Deep beneath your feet, exactly 1,800 miles below the Earth's crust, lie two massive, continent-sized chunks of an alien planet. They are millions of times heavier than Mount Everest, and according to the laws of planetary physics, they absolutely should not be there. These colossal anomalies are burning at 7,000 degrees Fahrenheit, and they break everything we thought we knew about our planet's core. Geologists were completely baffled when seismic waves bounced off these structures like hitting a cosmic brick wall. Scientists are severely divided on what this means for our future. How did pieces of an alien world get buried inside the Earth, and more terrifyingly, what happens if they shift? Normally, the Earth's interior is neatly divided into the crust, mantle, outer core, and inner core. Think of it like a perfectly layered cosmic onion. We track earthquakes to map these layers, and for decades, the math added up perfectly. But here is where things get strange. When we look at the deepest part of the mantle, the layers aren't uniform at all. There are two gargantuan, dense blobs, one sitting beneath West Africa, and the other under the Pacific Ocean, that completely defy our geological models. I am going to show you exactly where these impossible structures came from in just a second. What I am about to reveal next is why thousands of space lovers are joining the Deep Space Secrets family every single day. If you want to uncover the universe's greatest mysteries with us, hit that follow button right now. Stay with me here, because what we found rewrites human history. Back in the 1980s, seismologists using advanced topography first noticed earthquake waves mysteriously slowing down when passing through the lower mantle. They called them large low-velocity provinces. For decades, they were a total mystery. But fast forward to 2021. Researchers ran a multi-million-dollar supercomputer simulation at Arizona State University. Only, they weren't looking at the Earth. They were tracking the violent creation of our moon. And what the supercomputer spit out linked the moon's creation directly to the alien ghosts inside our planet. Here is the leading, mind-bending truth. 4.5 billion years ago, a Mars-sized rogue planet named Theia was hurtling through our solar system at roughly 22,000 miles per hour. It slammed directly into a young, molten Earth. The impact was so violent it vaporized both planets into a glowing donut of rock called a synestia. As it cooled, the orbiting debris formed our moon. But here is where it gets crazy. Theia didn't just vaporize. The core of this alien planet sank like a stone in a pond, embedding itself deep inside Earth's mantle. You might be thinking, case closed, right? Not exactly. By the end of this video, you will understand why this is highly contested. Some leading geophysicists argue these blobs aren't from Theia at all. They believe they are the superheated graveyards of ancient Earth continents that sank over billions of years. Others warn that these anomalies are actively generating massive magma plumes, slowly fueling supervolcanoes on the surface. We have two competing realities. Either we are carrying the corpse of a dead planet, or our own planet is brewing something devastating. This affects how we see our very existence, so I genuinely want to know what you think. Are the massive anomalies beneath our feet the remains of the alien planet Theia, locked away forever? Are they sunken continents from Earth's ancient past? Or could they be something we haven't even theorized yet? Drop your wildest theories in the comments below right now. I read every single one, and this debate is currently tearing the scientific community apart. What you are about to see changes everything we know about life in the universe. Because without Theia's violent sacrifice, you and I wouldn't be here. That catastrophic collision gave Earth a rapid spin, generating the magnetic shield that protects us from lethal solar radiation. It gave us the moon, which stabilizes our climate and commands the tides. We are literally the children of a cosmic hit and run. Understanding those buried alien masses isn't just about rocks, it is about finding the recipe for life. If we can map exactly what Theia left behind, we can scan distant exoplanets for the exact same chemical signatures. Fortunately, we aren't completely in the dark anymore. Scientists around the world are now using next-generation seismic arrays and satellite gravity mapping to X-ray the Earth like never before. And soon, NASA's upcoming Artemis missions will bring back deep core samples from the moon's uncharted South Pole. By comparing lunar rock with the volcanic rock bubbling up from our own mantle, we might finally get the exact DNA match between the moon and the alien ghosts inside Earth. Imagine the day, perhaps within this decade, when an astronaut and a geologist prove that destruction in the cosmos is actually just construction in disguise. Science is progressing rapidly, and the answers are closer than ever. But this planetary collision isn't the only ancient mystery hiding in our solar system. In our upcoming videos, we are investigating the terrifying gravitational anomaly pulling our entire Milky Way towards a dark sector of space, and the newly discovered ocean beneath the moon of Jupiter that has astrobiologists completely on edge. You won't want to miss what we have uncovered. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey. Remember, every time you look up at the moon tonight, you are looking at the ghost of a world that died so ours could live. The universe is full of secrets, and we are just getting started. Stay curious, keep looking up, and I will see you in the next one.